So that's why because like I have to go to the zoo. So like I don't even know what the music is in the background, so hopefully it's good. But anyway, yeah, I kind of woke up a couple hours ago. Actually, no, like a couple minutes, I'll say. First, I do a head massage every day. So I'm gonna do that. And that feels so nice after because I actually did some hair oil today. Because my hair was so dried out. You should have felt it. It's kind of still a little dry, but like, yeah. It was really dry. But first thing, I'm not gonna be using that way. I need to get the Ever cream. Okay, so I'll see you right after that. Both of them, and we're gonna just add both of them together. Let's mix that together. That feels so nice. Ah, so moisturizing. Because I have like both types of skin. Like I have every single type of skin mixed together. So I need to do both. Just like not good if I don't do both. And well, I think I know what I'm. So, I know that this is the only thing I do. Usually I wear those little hair clips. Cause I can't find those little hair clips that I use, but like, yeah, I'll just use this hair headband. Next thing I will be using is, okay. I'm just gonna go find the next thing I'm using. So I'll see ya. After this, it's a spray. Next thing we're gonna do the makeup. And we're actually gonna be filming at the zoo. So excited. So we're gonna do a vlog, and we haven't done a vlog in like forever. Guys, do you even remember when we used to do vlogs? Yeah, anyway, I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try this shirt on. We're doing on Peacock because this shirt reminds me of Peacock a lot, and it says I don't know. Yeah, but I'm gonna add some like a skirt or something. I have no idea. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Maybe a bow. Okay, I'm just gonna see what this looks like. So if this looks, wait, does that look cute? Yeah, I like this part. Yeah, that's really cute. I think I'm gonna do like the shoes I don't like, right? Cause like my shoes are really dirty. So like come with me and choose my shoes. Choosing shoes. Ooh, oohs. Choosing shoes. Oohs. Okay, wait. Here, let me show you what. Okay, so I got this shirt I don't know from. I got these pants from Target, but I don't go there anymore. So like yeah. But I also got these shoes from the Cox store. So yeah. Let's go in. Does anyone want to say hi to YouTube? What? Okay, just say hi. Hi. I haven't had breakfast yet.
Hi, YouTube. What do you want for your breakfast?
All cereal. Cereal slice, actually. Yeah, cereal. Cereal slice! So, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Please. I'll see you at the la la zoo 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 zoo. Hello guys, I'm back. You literally just saw me at home and now I'm here. So let's go to the zoo. So today we're at the zoo. I actually mentioned the zoo a lot in the beginning of the video. So I really hope you guys did not skip that part. So now we're at the zoo. We're gonna find some cute animals and maybe some creepy animals, I don't know, and have a good time. The flamingos are still sleeping, which is actually kind of amazing to see flamingos sleeping. Which one is your favorite one? I'm looking everywhere. Oh, I like the ones that are on the floor. Hello, I thought these animals could talk. Usually they can talk. Maybe these ones don't talk? Are probably my favorite monkeys, and they go crazy sometimes. So, ha! But anyway, they are not doing it right now. But usually they go crazy if you touch their cage. They're like, ah! Do 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 do.
They really look at you. Hi.
Hi, 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 hi.
Oh,
Oh,
that's the thing they do. That's the thing they do.
do this.
Don't lead with your fingers.
This?
Yeah, you can do that way.
Okay.
Right?
I'm just gonna get two.
Just don't get your fingers.
Can I give them more?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get a couple at a time. 3. Look at these. Look how cute they are. Look at that baby monkey. I want to eat it. No, I don't. Why did I just say I want to eat
That
it?
little guy is so cute.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, snuggling. Is it? You think it's a whole family?
Yeah, I think it's a whole family, guys.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, I want to eat them. No, why eat them? No, I want to meet them.
Stop eating monkeys.
I want to meet them. I want to hug them.
Look at the 3 of us.
They're fighting. They're fighting. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
You better listen to your mama.
Like, I want to go back to sleep.
Come see me.
Uh-huh, and so people are
Look
swimming.
at that black swan.
That's very cool.
That's really cute.
Yeah, you can do that.
It's kind of scaring me, but okay. Oh, jeez, it just ate my finger a little.
But they're gentle.
Yeah.
Just keep it away from.
There's a baby. I'm sorry.
You can throw it too, man. Oh, look at the baby.
Yeah, I was waiting. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Oh, there's bugs on that one. Okay, there. Hi, kangaroo. Do you want some? Oh, they're so cute. So we're gonna get this guy some food. Well, these guys. And I'm gonna get a lot of food for these guys. I'm just gonna give them a little more. Just a little more. Okay, so this is the park. Watch me go on the slide. Woo! That slide is actually really fast.
Here when you do that.
Deer.
Hi, little deer. Can you eat or do you not have a mouth? Oh, she has the smallest tongue I've ever seen. It's so cute. You're so cute. You want a couple more? I know you can't fill your whole stomach because you're a little. You want that one? If you don't eat that, okay. You can save that for later. Here, I'll give you some. If you want. They're camels.
Do you like this guy?
Yes, I do. I definitely do. So cute. I want to hug it.
Ah.
That would be the best hugger in the world. Am I
His
right?
arms are so long.
Yeah, that would be. Oh, that's so cute, Mom.
They love the carrots we got them.
May throw it to the baby behind.
Okay.
Use your awesome feeling on it.
Oh, jeez. Jeez. Oh, please, baby. Ah,
Let me throw it to that white one.
white. That one, white. Here.
Oh,
I'm just trying to get something out for them. I have to kind of ask you. My mom said she's gonna ask me some questions, so come with your first one.
What was your favorite part of the zoo?
Ooh. Ooh. I don't know, Mom. This is hard.
What were some of the things you did?
I looked at monkeys a lot. I'm in love with monkeys. And then also, I looked at the gift shop. And I looked at peacocks.
Flamingos.
Yeah, peacocks. I didn't think flamingos. And I saw lots of cool stuff. Let me show you around the gift shop. So there's candy, rocks, magic, flamingo, out the story window.